In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Gmail without phone number in a minute. It's a new method. So if you are new here on my channel, please subscribe my channel for the next video. If you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. First, go to gmail.com, then again click on this menu, then add another account, just click on, then again click on Google, verify really it's you. Just now click on create account, then for myself, then enter a name, then select birthday, select gender, next button click on, then select your Gmail. So I select this Gmail. You can choose another Gmail. So this is my Gmail. So now I select and password, then again click on review your account, just click on next, then click on I agree. So now I select my Gmail. You can see my new Gmail are successfully added here. You can see my new Gmail are successfully added on my mobile phone. So if I want to add this email on YouTube, just go to YouTube, then this Gmail automatically add on my YouTube account. You can see this is my new Gmail, and wow, then I want to charge kids video. Wow, you can see it's now really working. See you again, take care, goodbye.